Here's the rust that I'm gonna be repairing today. I'm gonna be doing it outside because I got my shop full. So hopefully I can do it before the sun get really hot. Right now it's like 8 o'clock in the morning. So I'm gonna start cutting and patching. It's not gonna be nothing crazy, nothing super expensive. Like he just want the truck to look good, and he even said just put fiberglass, put whatever. So I'm gonna fix this one with a patch panel I got here from Keystone. I used to buy it online, a place called fixmyrust.com. That place closed down. Now I bought this one in Keystone, so I'm looking for a place where I could buy this patch panel cheaper. So got some rust repair. I'm gonna be doing little stuff, uh, but for now let's start. Well, this is how I do it. Maybe somebody else do it different, and I don't care. This is how I do it. I'm gonna cut this, but first I'm gonna just make my put the panel, check where I want it before I start cutting. Got a big dent here, so trying to see if it let me put it on the way I want it before I start tracing it. I believe I'm gonna trim these pieces here a little bit. I'm gonna double check this flat over the other side. I bought this piece like a year ago. This is for Ranger, but it's a 93 to 11. Yep, they look the same. Oh, now I see. We got a dent here, so it's not letting me put the panel flush. This piece here, see? It's broken. I'm gonna cut it off. Let me grab the hammer. I don't like this. We'll see. I don't think I'm gonna cut it to here. I think I'm gonna cut it more low. But for now, I'm just gonna trim it a little bit. See where I want this panel at. I hate doing this kind of repair. I used to do them a lot. I hate doing them now. It's not worth doing them. You don't make money on this. But just doing it because it's for my pastor. something like this, when this is the weld is broken, it's rusted out. So you see how the panel come out. I want to make sure this stay like this before I put the patch panel. What happened? It's been more than a year or 2 years and it's rusted out. This had to be redone a while back. But I never had time. He never had time. So now it's worse. Oh well. I'm gonna make a time lapse because I'm not gonna talk a lot because then the video will be long. So I'm just gonna make a time lapse while I'm working. You guys can see, and then I might talk at the end. I cleaned the inside part, put some undercoating. I started welding this piece here because my battery got low, so I had to put the phone to charge. So I'm back on it, and I will continue welding now. I'll be doing another hyperlapse so you guys can see, but it's coming along fine. I trimmed it because I'm trying to avoid getting into the body line.